In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a flowchart in Draw.io for Atlassian Confluence and Jira. Whether you're a beginner or someone looking to enhance their collaborative efforts, this tutorial is designed to help you integrate flowcharts seamlessly into your Jira workspace using Draw.io. Let's dive in and get you set up with everything you need to know. Start by opening your Jira dashboard. Now, pay close attention to the left panel where you will find an icon labeled Apps. Click on this to open a list of options where we will initiate our journey into enhanced visualization techniques. Once there, scroll down and click on Explore More Apps. This section is your gateway to discovering various tools that can augment your Jira experience. Next, in the search bar, type Draw.io Diagrams for Jira. This tool is highly recommended for its intuitive design and ease of use when creating flowcharts and diagrams. Upon entering your search, click on the Draw.io app to visit its dedicated app page. Here you can see all of its features and read through reviews from other users. Take a moment to glance over the page. It's always a good idea to get a sense of what the tool can offer and how other users have benefited from it. At the top right of this page, you'll see an option to install. Click on it. This will direct you towards the top right where you'll notice a button that says, Try for free. Select that and follow the connection instructions provided. These are straightforward, and with each click, you'll be guided through the process of connecting Draw.io to your Jira account. Once installation is complete, you'll find Draw.io nestled among your available apps on the left sidebar. Now you're ready to harness its full potential. To create your first diagram, go to a Jira work item or issue, a task that you might have designated for your team. Click on it to open. Then, look at the top right where you'll see an icon of 3 dots. Click on these to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Add Draw.io Diagram. This action will initiate the process of crafting a brand new diagram. You can now start building your flowchart, incorporating all the necessary elements that clearly represent your workflow or ideas. As you work through the creation, your diagram will be embedded directly into that selected work item, allowing everyone involved to view and contribute seamlessly. And that's all there is to it. You've not only enhanced your Jira workspace with a powerful visualization tool, but also empowered your team to communicate more effectively and with greater clarity. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial useful in integrating Draw.io into your Jira platform. Happy diagramming!